Wakil Paul Mwangi eari mlondi wa ambi wa mfu Raila Odinga yelesrie mbungi lukendo lwae nende Raila Odinga yari mhongo msiasa. Abore mbu Raila yari mundu wa hurusia bwe yango mvuri mulala hulonda nende bunyala bwae birari humapendeleo. Musihalo ne Citizen Mwangi arusrie lwande luhongo lo Raila lo bandu baramanyire dawe. Nabola mapambano kae kabula muhulu wa demokrasia nende chihaki cha bandu. Wakil Paul Mwangi ya habanga mshauri wa malako ka Raila Odinga humika mingi yechurisi ango lwa banyola na lwa mberi mwika kwa 2011 nari mlala wa bachambuzi msipindi siya derani. Siabone sibwa mu Citizen.
I was identified from these studios. That's in 2011. We were running a show with it was called the Kibaki Succession, and I was one of everyday participants. It was on a Sunday. The show was run by Julie Gishoro, and we used to come here every Sunday and discuss different aspects of the Kibaki Succession. Yeah. And so I was a political analyst that time, and I had a following by that time. People liked my analysis. During that time, the Miguna was relieved of his duty. Yeah. And there was a question of whether they would get a replacement because there was only, I think, 1.5 years to go at that time to the election.
Mwangi abola mbu Raila yari mundu mwaminifu mdemokrasia uhuru nende huhula kwa bandu. Abola mbu kiongozi oyari munyari murihu wariosi iria ya subira.
Mkaraka kwa Twitter, mkaniambia ni baba, waliwawei. Sisi tulikuwa tunakufa na njaa. Baba, waliwawei.
Hata karikario Mwangi ya mambu bikhabidi nyulukarim lukendo lwa nende Raila vyari tarehe 8 mwezi kwa hudaru mwika kuno kwa 2025 niba mkendra Rais William Ruto mu ikulu.
And I think my happiest moment was March 8th. It was a March, yeah, when we went to office of the president, and it was, I had never been entrusted with something so great and so sensitive, and that you had seen it through, and that's something I carried throughout, the kind of trust that he had placed on me.
Hulonda nende maono karusi nende gavana wa Nyeri Mutahi Kahiga Raila Odinga. Wakili Mwangi abore mbu Raila ni mundu arahanyasi nende mahua ako.
Raila will not allow his mind and his time to get occupied by things that he thinks are not serious. And I don't think he would have regarded Kahiga and his statements as something serious enough to warrant his attention or even to warrant it disturbing his head.
Wakil Paul Mwangi Raila